This is my school bag, and almost every single university student carries one. The big question is, what's usually inside these bags? Worry now because I've gathered a couple of my friends and we're gonna see what's inside their bags. But before that, a quick introduction and let's see what they're wearing today. Hi. First up, we have Pamphilia. We call her Val. Winnie.
Okay, so
this right here is a model, cause girl, she goes by Julie. Hey. We have Rispa. And who doesn't know this queen? Now let's jump straight to the main agenda of this video, is seeing what's inside our bags, okay?
Hi, my name is Julie and this is what is in my bag. Books, ruler, pencil pouch, cards, sticky notes, wet wipes, ID, my phone, a calculator.
okay.
Because I'm doing economics and statistics.
Yeah.
Lip gloss, what else? And my keys. That's all.
Who's next?
Hi everyone, my name is Val and this is what is in my bag. I have a notebook.
What?
My phone. My tablet.
What?
Yeah. My wipes.
Well.
My pocket tissue. My card holder, like here. My cards. Yeah.
Jameni.
Snacks. Sanitizer. Vaseline. A pen. My keys and pads and panty liner.
Jameni.
Mascara, eyeliner, lip gloss, colorless lip gloss, hand lotion. Yeah. It's over. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Pamphilia and this is what I have in my bag.
Temu tuone hiyo bag yako venye inakaa, ni ya leather, inakaa fiti, tuonyeshe. Oh,
Iko na charm.
tuonyeshe hiyo side nyingine.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay.
I have my notebook. Exercise book, sorry. Notebook, sanitary pouch. Iko na panty liner, pad, wipes, gel, brush ya gel, perfume, Vaseline, and
Nail
nail
cutter.
cutter. Then iko na pencil pouch, obviously iko tu na pencils. Then the ID ya shule, key ya nyumba, hand lotion, lip gloss na earpods. Apart from that, iko na water bottle, simu obviously, calculator, statistics, power bank na lollipop.
Oh. Eh, walai. Mnafanya nisikie mimi si dem.
Mtawatolea wapi?
Hi guys, my name is Winnie and this is what's in my bag. My exercise boots, my notebook, my phone charger,
Jameni.
my pouch. It has a sanitary towel, tissue, my national ID and school ID, a hand lotion, lip gloss, my hair tip,
Hey.
coins, and
Watolewa.
a hair band, and I have a calculator. My phone, of course. A lip gloss. Solid oil.
Miss.
My keys. Cards. And my pens. That's all.
Wow.
Hi everyone, my name is Rispa and this is what I have in my bag. So exercise books, a notebook, my phone, wipes, a calculator, my water bottle, my sanitary towels ziko hapa ndani na tissue. Yep. And then iko na heartbeats.
Unajua venye mentos zinakuanga expect.
Niko na kama mafuta hapa, Vaseline, my charger, my purse. Peni yangu imepotea. Yeah, and my pen. I don't know where the other one is. Yeah.
Antimado.
Na nishasema bye.
Nitakata.
My gloss. Yeah, and my other pens. And my school ID. Yeah, bye.
Hi, my name is Prudence, but most people call me Dance, and this is what I have in my bag. One book. One book, calculator, student ID, nyuma hiyo ID ingine ya national. Niko na wipes. Niko na
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
niko na tissue. Chaka kai huko nyuma. Ama tutupe tu.
Don't litter, please. Oh, yeah?
Haya, niko na ruler, niko na lip oil, lip gloss, niko na nini tangu aje, mouthwash, niko na funguo, niko na kalamu, niko na niko na lip liners, niko na hand lotion, hand soap na sunscreen. What else? Power bank, a mirror, pocket mirror na pods. I don't have any other thing. Ni hivyo. That is it. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below what other videos would like to see us do, ama like comment other type of videos that you would love to see. See you in the next one. Bye.
Vile nilikuwa nimejipanga kwa nyumba ananiharibia plants. Nipe buki yangu haraka haraka. Mimi sina buki yako papa. So nipe hiyo ile.
Hi, my name is Julie and this is what is my name.
Pam, unapenda purple?
Ndio.
Because almost everything purple. Hey.
By the way.
Hey, it's okay.